Thanks for joining us for the news at 10 on your Labor Day. I am Joe Paris. Brian Holmes and Morgan Romero have the evening off. We'll start with this. We now know how long a Boise woman could spend behind bars for her role in the 2021 United States Capitol riot. The Department of Justice believes that 56-year-old Yvonne St should be in prison for 33 months. It's nearly 3 years. St is one of 6 Idahoans who have been charged for their involvement on January 6th in D.C. And our Abby Davis read through the recommendation from the Department of Justice. And Abby, why 33 months? It seems specific.
Yeah, well, Joe, the 41-page court document details what St did on January 6th. It also goes through what happened during her trial last spring. U.S. Attorney Matthew Graves, who submitted the document, said the nearly 3-year time frame is based on federal guidelines.
I hope you're happy. This is what you wanted. This is what you got.
That's 56-year-old Yvonne St from Idaho.
Yeah, this is America.
She's just one of thousands who stormed the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. Soon, St might spend some time behind bars for her involvement. New court documents filed on September 2nd show the Department of Justice thinks St should spend 33 months in prison. That's 2 years and 9 months. The U.S. attorney who submitted the sentencing memorandum also recommends 3 years of supervised release and about $2,000 in fines.
There is no more freedom, guys.
St was found guilty of 6 charges last spring. Those charges include 2 counts of interfering with police officers during a civil disorder and entering and remaining in a restricted building. St was also involved in disorderly and disruptive conduct.
Go, go, go!
Dude, don't stop on the stairs.
Go, we gotta get out. That's all gas. They tear gas the American.
During an interview with KTVB 2 years ago, St said she doesn't regret going to the Capitol.
I did not have any intention of committing a crime. If I am guilty of poor judgment and I'm guilty, then I'll own that. I own what I do, but I still believe in what I did was the right thing.
U.S. attorneys who worked on the memo don't agree. The document states St is someone who, quote, does what she wants despite the rules, regulations, and the law. It also states a 33-month sentence, along with supervised release and fines, would reflect the gravity and seriousness of St conduct. This isn't St first run-in with the law. She was also convicted of trespassing at an Idaho government building. Her sentencing is set for the 13th, Joe, so coming up here pretty soon.
All right, well, we'll keep our eye on that, and thanks for going through those documents. Some interesting stuff here on our Labor Day. Abby Davis reporting. Thanks, Abby.